Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Capital Gold in Clash of Clans 2025. To use Capital Gold in Clash of Clans, first make sure your clan is at least level 2, which unlocks the Forge. The Forge generates Capital Gold daily, and you can collect 400 each time by simply tapping the building. You can also convert regular resources into capital gold using the crafting slots within the forge. For example, spending 4.2 million gold grants you 1,400 capital gold. If you have the gold pass, additional slots become available for even faster crafting. Now, to actually use the capital gold, head over to your clan capital. Here, you can contribute capital gold toward upgrading your capital hall, unlocking new districts like Barbarian Camp or Wizard Valley, and improving buildings or defenses. Each contribution brings your clan closer to stronger troops and better defenses for capital raids. So gather that capital gold, support your clan's growth, and keep those upgrades coming. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.